guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a thumbnail on CapCut PC. So add in your video and just select the cover button here. You can select from any part of your video by selecting this yellow line, or you can upload another image. I'm just going to press edit on this one, and it gives you a bunch of options. Like you can add in the templates that they already have. For instance, like this one, use template, or you can add in the theme only. Like it's going to add in this one picture here. For instance, you want to add this one, summer in Hawaii, which, okay, this is not Hawaii, but that's okay. Here you can add in pictures, and then here you can adjust the text a little. I don't know why it's like this. Maybe if I do that, there we go. Oh, it's right here. I can change the font here to this one if I don't want this other font, and I can change the color here as well if I don't like that color. And you can obviously change the text. There's also shapes, stickers if you'd like to. There's also frames as well, which I feel like you can add pictures in the frame, like here. And you can add the image there. You can add in a collage, stuff like that. Once you're done, you're just going to press save. And when you export it, it's going to be saved separately as an image. So here. You can also add video cover at the beginning of your video as well. So export. It's going to export the image as well, but it will have that cover if you selected that. If you open folder, you're going to get the cover here. Whoops, okay, whatever. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!